Here we go. First time ever in the car wash in this car. Oh my goodness. I've had this car a year and I've yet to take it through a car wash, so here we go. Me and my little pink car. So crazy. I remember I used to do this when I was little with my family and I always thought it was crazy. Oh my goodness. I love the car wash. Thank goodness he told me to close all the windows. I almost forgot. Looking at the car wash. Oh my goodness. It's getting real, people. It's getting real. I think we're almost done. Oh, maybe not. This car was dirty. Super stoked. It's about to not be so dirty anymore. And be cute and pretty again. My pretty car. Now we're going through the giant, like, air dryers. It was super cheap too, a $10 car wash, and that's like the most expensive one. They had like a $4, a $6, and a $10, and I got the $10. Would you look at that? Just like that, I have a brand new car, people. First car wash ever. All right, have a good day. Bye.